Mechanical, like yung may mga foreign body obstruction. Or number 2, meron siyang diseases, bronchitis, pneumonia, COPD, or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, diphtheria, or iba pang cause like electrocution na kuryente, circulatory collapse, biglang tumigil ang pagtibok ng puso, strangulation, nagbigte, chest compression by other physical force, drowning or pagkalunod, poisoning, and suffocation. Paano ba magbigay ng rescue breathing? Mouth to mouth. Totoo, mouth to mouth talaga. Okay? So, pag magbibigay tayo ng mouth to mouth, yung nose ng pasyente, ipipinch natin. Kasi, baka pag nagbigay tayo ng rescue breath, lumabas lang din sa nose. So, ipipinch mo siya, tapos iaangat mo yung jaw niya. So, jaw thrust maneuver tayo. Para yung airway niya is so, yan. Number 1 is mouth to mouth. 2 is mouth to mouth and nose kapag sa baby. Pero kita nyo, observe nyo si Sir. Naka-jaw thrust pa rin yung baby. Jaw thrust maneuver, nakaangat pa rin.